Is this you? Do you have tons of ideas just circling in your mind and you don't know what to do with them? Leave us a comment below. Welcome to the Course Within, where we help you to get your ideal into a course. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification button so that you're notified when a new video has been posted. Ideals are the foundation of our evolutionary growth. They make the impossible possible. They grow our economy, provide us with the things that we want, need, and require. So what are you doing with your ideals? Are you giving them away, or are you keeping some for yourself? Are they generating cash flow for you, or are you just receiving a paycheck for them? Or are they overwhelming you? And if you don't know what to do with them, well, here's a solution. Organize them. Here are two ways that you can organize them. One is free and one requires an investment. 1. A brain dump. Grab a sheet of paper and a timer. Set the timer for 6 minutes and list out all the ideas that you have in your mind. Once the timer is up, stop writing. At that point, you should have a pretty decent list to work from if you choose to. The second one is take an ideal workshop. Now, an ideal workshop is a workshop that is 30 minutes to 2 hours, depending on the workshop, that will take you through a series of exercises that are timed and that will help you to organize your ideals. Now, once you get your ideals out of your head, it needs a place to live. So why not in a course? A course is a great way to share your ideal and your unique way with others at their pace, in their privacy, and wherever they are. Now, if you require help or a brain dump is not cutting it for you, sign up for our Course Ideal Workshop, where we guide you to awaken your sleepy course ideal so that you can put it into a course. The link is on our About page. And if you are enjoying our content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let us know what you're doing with your ideals. See you in the next video.